Hi, Buffs. Happy Friday. It's me and Mr. Sandromino. We are really excited to see you guys today. Well, see you through the computer today. We wanted to give you a couple of updates for next week and for this week. So first, Mr. McKee is putting all names into this raffle of kids who are working really, really hard and doing all of their work. Mr. Sandromino and I know so many of you are doing your work, but we can only pick one scholar. So we decided to pick, drum roll please. We decided to pick Arlene. Let's give Arlene 2 claps. Arlene, we're super proud of you. You have been working really hard. Mr. McKee is going to put your name in a raffle. And if he picks your name, then he's going to send a pizza to your house. Mr. McKee is going to do this every week, so I wonder which buff it's going to be next week. But nice job, Arlene. Also, next week we have something really exciting. We have Spirit Week. So I want to show you what Spirit Week will be this year. On your work and on your post for today, you'll have Spirit Week, just so you don't forget, because it's a lot of days. But on Monday, the theme is to go outside. So I know that I'm going to go outside. I'm going to hike, maybe do some chalk on my front porch. But the theme is to go outside. Please send me and Mr. Sandromino pictures so we can put it onto our Google Classroom. Tuesday is Honor Our Heroes Day, which means dress up or do something for a hero in our community. A hero in our community is not Spider-Man or Superman. We're talking about real heroes in our community, like nurses, doctors, teachers, grocery store workers. So you can do something nice for them, maybe dress up like them, but send us pictures and videos of that. Wednesday is Wacky Hair, so send us pictures of your craziest hair. Thursday is Get Active, so go outside, play, send us some videos. And Friday is Dance Party. So Valeria's mom sent me a super awesome video of Valeria dancing, doing a TikTok dance. So maybe you guys could do one too and send us a video that we could post on Google Classroom. But this is Spirit Week. It starts on Monday. The other thing I wanted to go over was just a quick thing in math that I'm seeing. Mr. Sandromino is going to show you on his whiteboard. But you guys got tricked on some of these problems when it's a pattern. A pattern means that it follows the same rule. So it's tricky to find a pattern if you don't look at the first, or you don't look at numbers that are next to each other. So I see that there are numbers next to each other at the beginning of this pattern, 45 and 50. Now, because these are next to each other, I'm going to think, what's the difference between these numbers? Well, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Oh, it's counting up by fives. So then now I need to think, what's 5 more than 50 if it's following this pattern? Mr. Sandromino, what's 5 more than 50?
55.
So he's going to write 55 right next to 50 because it follows that pattern of going up by 5. Now, Mr. Sandromino, if this is a pattern, what would be the next number?
I think it would be 60 because it's 5 more than 55.
Exactly. So some of you guys got a little bit tricked with that today. Make sure that you are thinking, what's the pattern? What's the pattern? Is it going up or down, and by how much? You'll have more work for this next week on Monday and Tuesday. Don't get tricked. Okay, Mr. Sandromino, what about CKLA?
Thank you, Mr. Roberts, for giving us that quick math update. I just wanted to really quickly talk about adverbs and parts of speech because I saw a lot of you were getting tricked with what an adverb is. I'm going to share my screen now so you can see the slideshow from yesterday. Okay, this was the CKLA from yesterday, and this was what tricked us. Lots of you all said that you confuse verbs and adverbs. A verb is an action word.
In this next part of the lesson, we're going to be talking.
That's the video of me. A verb is an action word, so like when I run or jump or when you do something. But an adverb, you can see right here, is how a verb happens. So it describes a verb. So how did I run? Did I run quickly? Did I run fast? Or did I run slow? If it's describing a verb, that's an adverb. That's the main thing you all got tricked with, but you guys are doing a great job with the reading. and Miss Roberts and I are very proud of you. CKLA is really tricky right now, so if you have any questions, you can always ask me, and we can talk about what's happening in the story. That's all I have for you today, and I hope you guys have a great weekend.
That's awesome, Mr. Sanjamino. So we hope that you guys do Spirit Week next week and send us lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of pictures. Remember, you'll also have your small Zoom groups next week, depending on what day, and we have a lunch on Wednesday. So we hope that we see you guys there, and have a really fun weekend. We miss you guys. Bye, Buffs.
Buffs.